finally, after walking 5 minutes from the Nangang station, nakarating na kami dito sa what's this? U Cafe, a new cafe here in Nangang, Taipei. So, try natin later. We're gonna see, or we can pet the chinchillas later. Pogi. Guys, ang pogi ng ng staff. Grabe. Hailey also look at him You stared at him. I saw you,
No, I don't, guys. That's not my style.
Is he pogi? Huh? Even him, sabi niya, gwapo daw.
Xinjiang.
Okay. Onion, chicken, and then bacon. Okay.
Spicy chicken and garlic and corn, bacon. This
white sauce.
Yeah, this is green sauce.
I want the green sauce.
Yeah, it's beef.
We just look at the menu and nandito pa lang kami sa labas. Medyo nagre-reklamo na sila kasi medyo pricey daw. So, tignan natin, since this is a new cafe, tignan na baka naman, di ba, worth it yung price. And yun nga, ang pinakaiba nito is, this is one of a pet cafe na nauso ngayon. But their pet is a, what you call a chinchilla. It's a kind of rodent na, I saw it in Google and sabi medyo aggressive daw siya. So, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari mamaya, kung matatouch ba natin or hindi. This cafe also appears on a news, on an online news website. So, doon ko nakita to. So, later try natin yung loob. Tingnan natin kung ano talaga yung itsura niya. Kasi maganda siya sa online. So, our table is number 6. Yeah, look at the people. So, they're waiting there. So, you really have to wait in line. And meron lang talaga silang time frame for eating. So the place is kind of small, but it's cute. And look at the chairs. It's so cute, And there's the rodent. Wow! Medyo malamig, no? So it's a good thing that they provide a blanket for the girls to use. Siguro for good for 2 persons because it's kind of big. Daddy, you don't feel cold? Put on your lap. Yeah. So look. Yan. So, diba? It's okay. Look at him. He's also using that. No, it's big. When you have a boyfriend, anything's big for the two of you. This is a blanket. Ano ba yan? Ayaw niya ipagamit sa daddy niya. Your daddy also feels cold. While waiting downstairs a while ago, they gave us the menu and then they let us choose our order. So, now na nandito na kami sa taas, we don't need to order kasi we already made our order downstairs. Guys, tinawag nila kami sa loob to check on the chinchilla and said, don't talk. Okay, so I will not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna look. Go.
巴就刺刺的，硬硬的。对，你可以直接摸。然后有一些它耳朵上有耳钉，这是因为它是在国外出生的，国外的农场要记录他们的那个身份牌，你可以理解成台湾的晶片。而且他们其实是豪猪的亲戚，豪猪的攻击方式会是喷刺，他们的攻击方式是喷毛，然后它还会喷尿，但是喷尿会比较偏向侮辱性。
好可爱。
对啊，它耳朵是薄薄的一片，它是波兰，它的爸爸在楼下，它的爸爸是楼下那只狼。都有拍到它吗？都有看到吗？
So this time, we're gonna choose what? Which one? Ano ilalagay ito sa table daw namin. And that's you. You chose that? Ayan. So, of course, si Hailey ang pumili. And she chose this one. Yan. Yan ang pinili niya. And later, they will gonna put it under our table. Kasi yung table namin is a glass. So, makikita mo siya while you're eating. So, you can take a picture with the rodent. Yes, hello. Yeah, so it's my turn. Oh my god, oh my god. No! Just a bit. Ay, tayo tapin ah. Bad one, tinaihan ako. Kaya naman pala nagagalaw sa ano while I'm holding it. So, this time it's Achi's turn. Yan. So, free picture taking with them. Tumai din. And then, she's gonna put it inside na. There. Ay! Let's go. Oh! So, ayan. So, andun na siya sa loob. You could... Uy, Hailey, don't put your head. Baliw. Guys, be careful kasi ano siya, pwede siyang mangagat. So, huwag niyong ilalagay yung mga daliri niyo sa loob. The holes are not for your fingers. And look at their poops. Ayan, tumais sila. Kanina tinaihan nila kami. Well, nagpapapicture.
Wow.
Ayan. So, kaya ano mo siya, pwede mo siyang i-feed. Ano ba yan? Ano lang? Hinagis lang. So, ayun friends, kanina, before they deliver the food, pinapunta muna kami doon sa may sa cage nila. So, pinakita sa amin yung different chinchillas. Yan. So, may mga din siya, may mga different kinds din siya. Yung pinakahuli, ang pinaka-cute sa lahat, pero hindi na pinahawakan sa amin since, daw siya, very aggressive yung na yun, yung rodent na yun. So, we're going to wait for our orders. Ayan, so, matitikman na natin yung 450 nila na noodles. This is honey lemon tea. What? Pomelo tea pala. Pomelo green tea. Yan. It's hot. Cheers! Sprite. Pomelo tea with Sprite. Wow, kakaiba yun. Then, my food is spaghetti in green sauce. Parang kulang sa sa sauce. But, anyway, tikman natin. Baka masarap. Oh! They have free soup. Cream soup. Ayan. So, dapat nauna yung soup. Why they gave us the spaghetti first? And later, it's already cold. See? Medyo, siya. A little salty. Kailangan natin ubusin to, guys. because it's 450 and the juice is around 200 plus. Kung nag-ano ka na nilike mo yung kanilang Instagram page, bibigyan kanila ng food para pakainin yung rodent. So kung ilang tao yung magda-like, ganun din yung ibibigay na piraso na food. Wow, nice. Beef. Oh, nice, Hailey. Nice. Ayan. Okay. Iyang. Okay, daddy. Oh, that you have a ball. What is that ball?
Rice.
Rice. Okay. And then what's inside?
Curry. Ta-da!
Oh, curry rice pala. Okay. Ang cute naman ng plate. Is that Totoro? Ayan. So, let's taste the noodles. Oh, it's so hard. Tagal kasi. Hindi ko kinain agad yan. Masarap. Yeah, it's good. Masarap siya in fairness. Yeah. So, sulit yung 450. Hingi ako ng hot sauce. I want hot sauce. I will try cheese curry. Chicken. Chicken curry. My curry is more delicious. We're done eating, so now pinapanood na lang namin siya. And so dining time is around 1.5 hours. So sabay-sabay kaming umakyat, sabay-sabay din kaming bababa. Ayan. Hello. Hailey, oh. Hungry siya. Kasang sutongsi. So, there you go, youngsters. The dining time is almost over. Ibabalik na yung mga chinchillas doon sa kanilang cage. Pag ibinalik yung mga chinchillas, kasama din kami. And then we're gonna take a picture first, and then I don't know kung ano pang gagawin. Siguro i-feed pa namin. So medyo marami pang tao sa loob. So waiting muna kami. So while we're waiting, we're gonna finish our drinks. And nakapagbayad na naman kami. So credit card or cash yung payment na pangbayad. And before that nga pala, if you want to come here, you need to check their Instagram or Facebook for a reservation. And then they will gonna give you a link kung paano ka makakapagpa-reserve, and you need also to pay for. And then once you come here, dapat kung ano man yung pinili mo na time, dapat darating ka talaga doon sa time na yun. So, the minimum order is 350. So, about the food, akala namin onti lang. Pero nung nakain namin, busog na kami actually. Nabusog naman kami doon. But it's a little pricey for 450 dun sa one bowl na yun. Meron na siyang free na soup. And then, no dessert. Yung yung drinks nila is almost 200 na rin. So, parang ka-price na rin ng almost the same like the Fridays, di ba? Yung mga food sa Fridays. And the taste, masarap naman siya, yung order ko. But yung sa kanya, tinikman ko yung curry, parang hindi ako masyadong nasarapan. Yung sa anak ko, hindi ko alam kung masarap hindi ko natanong, pero mukhang nasarapan naman siya kasi naubos. So what do you think of the food? 好吃吗？
还可以。
Okay lang daw, so daw. So, 你还要回来吗？ Are you coming back here?
No.
Why?
Boring.
Boring daw. Why it's boring? You're gonna eat and there's animals.
I don't like mouse.
Ayaw daw niya ng mga mouse. Yun. So, you know what? Actually, kung wala lang talaga mga dito, yung mga ang tawag dito, kung wala lang talaga yung mga rodents na yun pero hindi kami mag-enjoy din. Kasi yun lang naman yung talagang pinunta namin, the rodents, yun. And for first time kasi lang namin narinig na yung ganyan, yung chinchillas, ano ba yan? Meron pala nun. So, okay naman siya for experience. And medyo malayo din kasi ito, nasa dulo pa ng ng Taipei, itong Nangang. So, we're from Sanshan, nandun kami sa may south. Nagpunta pa kami ng north talaga para to experience this and to see ano ba yung medyo nasa online ngayon na newly open cafe daw. So for you guys, kung gusto niyo pumunta, okay lang, punta kayo, try nyo for for your experience. Syempre iba-iba naman tayo ng opinion.
So, after waiting for a few minutes, ayun, tinawag na ulit kami to go inside the cages. I thought magpapapicture muna kami and everything. But it turned out, i-explain pa nila paano naliligo yung mga chinchillas. So, they use this powder-like substance and then they put the chinchilla inside this plastic cage. And then, ayun lang, pagulong-gulong lang yung chinchilla and then, tanan! Malinis na ulit. So, after that, babalik na sila doon sa kanilang cage and us naman, our turn to go home. So, there you go, youngsters. If you also want to experience this newly open cafe, just look at the description box below and I will gonna tell you how to go there, how to reach the area, and how to book. So, thank you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. This is your friend, Jaja Yang from Taiwan with Love.